Did you know that nearly every medication you've ever taken had to pass through a rigorous process before it made it to your medicine cabinet? Imagine being part of the journey that brings life-saving treatments to millions. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of clinical trials, the backbone of modern medicine. If you're curious about how groundbreaking treatments go from the lab to your local pharmacy, stick around, you're in the right place. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest info about the world of clinical research. And if you want to dive deeper, click the link in the description to join our newsletter at theclinresearcher.com, where we provide valuable insights about clinical trials, how you can find clinical trials, and the future of medical research. So what exactly is a clinical trial? In simple terms, clinical trials are research studies involving people that test new medical treatments, like medications, devices, or therapies, to see if they're safe and effective. But here's the cool part, they don't just test anything. Clinical trials are carefully designed to answer specific health questions. Each trial follows a strict protocol, making sure everything is conducted in a scientifically controlled environment. Think of it like a recipe. Each clinical trial follows a set of ingredients, who can participate, how much of a drug is given, and how long the study lasts, to ensure that the results are as accurate as possible. Now you might be wondering, how do these trials actually work? Well, clinical trials usually happen in phases, from early stage small studies to large scale tests with thousands of participants. Let's break it down. In phase 1, researchers test a new drug on a small group of people to assess safety. Phase 2 expands the testing to more participants to evaluate effectiveness. Phase 3, that's a big one, involving hundreds or thousands of participants to confirm the findings. And Phase 4 happens after approval to monitor long-term effects. But let's pause for a moment. Before any clinical trial can even begin, it has to be approved by an ethics board, known as the Institutional Review Board, or IRB. The IRB's job is to make sure the rights, safety, and well-being of participants are protected. These boards are made up of doctors, scientists, and even community members who carefully review the trial protocol to ensure it's ethical and safe. No trial can start without their approval. So why should you care about clinical trials? Well, first off, they're essential to medical progress. Every new treatment, whether it's for cancer, diabetes, or rare diseases, relies on clinical trials. Not to mention, they play a huge role in advancing medical science by finding new treatments and improving existing ones. You're not just reading about history, you're part of shaping it by understanding how these trials work. And that's exactly what we do at theclinresearcher.com. We help connect curious minds with critical information about clinical trials. Whether you're someone interested in learning about cutting-edge research or just passionate about healthcare innovation, our site is here to provide you with trusted, up-to-date information. When you sign up for our newsletter, you'll receive educational content about the clinical trial process, insights into the latest breakthroughs in medical research, and opportunities to expand your understanding of this vital field. Moving forward, our channel will continue to break down the clinical research process in an easy-to-understand way, and we'll keep you posted on the latest trends in medical research. So if you're ready to learn more, join us by signing up on theclinresearcher.com and subscribing to this channel. Thank you for watching, and remember, your curiosity could lead to the next big breakthrough.